Makwaba and Koma WhatsApp will share me ever to my GHSO. Medi Adenana Ama Ogusana Edubra, a year training issues, but the episode more ever if day and so. Nollywood actor and the Mr. John Okafo as he said they were trendy at the D. Akobia will be a Ebisan one step. And I be able to do an him no as Mr.Ibu. What they know, Sw0iIen can be able to jam to say, Nipa, and we dream Wakasa. Ebusa formation and so and say and no when if funny and to say near for a cassette to say a trash to say if you not trepas or pimfa or him and therefore be brave. Ever near food. Now Ebusa for not as any panel to donna, one more no ma, but our sisters say, and Saria and all that kind of bravo one that is all in sun worry. Now, no, I'm so I'm here for I can say that on Saturday. Obianim so ono munsa dia we fun ebe yi oton am obie munsa mpa ono mensa na no e no ho se dabi the way in some no ekeka kwa obia de nsa etag no so pensa no no ehun behia so ono am be ba bontin abeyi ensem ano efa ne yefun ne kese a aye ehun na we an wodi eto da no chem se hwe mo de munnim Monte enti munim de mokeka mo say de mo hu enisa de na mo magina chire na mo de ebu ate na de asema enam so ma me fa yete na kasa de mebie so e de akire mo na wo bie so no ba che say wono amu ne hu nipa na juba ni a wo fini kotokom chia ne ka ena poison no a enam so e ma ne yefun eye kesesa na bi so for o say de say po o say we kra po de atojo adodo ni yehu ni sa se ba ya atese ye dwa ye ntiase no na yehu no atese na egeye mu ye bebo yin nsempa e de amanu na no se ni yefu ni ye kese amatese no akese mu oda hokra ni nan awode nante no na ohun na o se ehye e wo brebi ohun se enye de di campo na omota poison no but no oni pose e poison na e poison say no omo ye e na djuma ye fo nti no mo anete enti ugbo hu ni ama ne bibi na wedi our office okra ba na ofifi na te say on na mo sa obi enfi no ase wo mu ni ndo mo ye nti obi a me so ni mu na ne ne mu no bibi anka che no ntirim say poison na ye poison o say membre mienu and wo boss na that also miensa no de ne ba ne na nanta te say the personal assistant at say what oboa no church ne na na djuma ni so we nya program we be oboa no hyehe ehun na te say wona no ekodi djuma no wo friend ne ka chere say we nya program bi at say hu hia pa ewo na wi a ehun be hia say wo be ko na te say program no akoye na ehun sika no waji ahye ne kotoko say na sika no eso mbopa na wo kira o say ebra ne boy no ede ne kopiem wo ho no say na nye program bi na no ma hyehe ho say one more pekwan a poison na eku no crash ya tasefo ewiase emu ne busa form yen kan say no wode na nsem no atu dem self for so edi etre o say I don't take alcohol up to now. Some people say I don't take alcohol yet my stomach is big. The belly is an idiot. It was after they gave me that poison. It was bigger than this before. If you had seen it, it was like a foam. I took medicine and it began to calm down. Before I wasn't even able to see my legs. They took me to Neri, saying we had a show. They held me there and beat me up. They beat me and then injected poison in my mouth and ran away, leaving me there. It was my boys and dancers that came and carried me home. It was in Enugu that I woke up. God said no, you are not going yet. And said, here in my office, they brought the first poison. I took it. I was falling around and nobody came to ask. Even the workers did not enter here, even though they were hearing me fall around. I vomited something in my bathroom. They gave me the second one. The people that gave me are the people working with me. I swallowed another one unknowingly because I never suspected them until when God opened my eyes. They paid them and gave them enough money to make sure they eliminate me. All these people planned are from Enugu, my town people and age grades. That are surprised that I can own some things, build some houses, buy a house in Lagos, and Also, they asked them to go and kill me. I don't know what they actually said. Send a impedifo assembly or makan esifate se nipa na tanfo ebe onu akasa ne fiefo anase aboa bi beka wa na fiwa wontu me no saa so na nasem no esifa koya tese na ejuma yefo a wo mo eben no ene wo ma ya tese bremensa etoso atete no ye hu ahun susu so ne yefu nkase aye no no atese ba to so be poison no me ku na fi atese fasase no na ne niem no okalisi so se onu ani fiefo na busuafo ene na dofo ma atese no hu ye o mahi atese ne japade a wo ye ejuma wo ye atese kofo ebo je ne so anum te nam so ma na nya adan awodo eno ene nam so dan hunu kekeu ene wo mo be kwan eyin ne fa wo mo tua enkofo a wo mo ebe no ho eka se wo mo ndi ni sa bono no no o se na wo nimpo na so nyakopo na mu ene die nani ema no edi hu sa nyama no efa eye enkofo a wo mo ebe no na te se ade de wo hwe no ye pa nyakopo bi ne ni fa ni pa wonti wo hwe no ye na mo to ne emu no wo hwe no ye na no no ebusafo na ekire ensem pi se nipa wo we se obi ikoso a nipa dodo na eni esanu ase de nkoso nipa bebe o ye pe wasem o nkoso ne ye fe ye nya o se obe chen se na o ye ye ba amobe o na o nim se o mo bo no mpono no bo hu na eche no ya fa ho edi ubo ne se na Mr.Ibu eye ne ntem no efifa ekoye no nti ye hwe ye hu ye pa because e babo ye boy de nipa dodo ka che o se o mo do wa na wa hwe hu ye na odo de nipa ene do yi de ebi eni wosa e wo nipa asitrem na eno so se wo de ka ho se wo fa nyame anyakopon bo anu bie ni eyi ni fo owuo mu no saa so na me be gina so e de to fo se e hu be hia se wa na motuo mu no wo be nya wo bi ate se obetimi ahye wo friko ene wo fi be mu na no de wotimi function pansa because Mr.Ibu or security personnel or won kofa according ne ato no almost so say enko meboa no akonya sani ne mu nko how po ba o meboa no meteta de ne film na ono mpo no wo mo de ne ni eto wo mo so no wo mo ene di ni sa abo no nti na hu be hia se onyakopon ena wo ni beto no so na wo abo wo friko ene wo fi be mu na te se wonsem enho tutu eni a ye ade ama esa se eye ebra ye wo mu de se weni enda ho de a ensem de bi be fa na obi be fa wase pa obetensem ekofo be ye wo niema ate se ebebre wadwen ene onti ase eso na nyame ne beda na ase se Mr.Ibu ede so ete nkwam ate se the yare a wo and yefu kese no entimi enti ne kwan from being the entertainer that he is as se ano odaswa a we na chuma as an entertainer eno nti na me gina so ede futo ede akwa ma ye nia se ye momodi na ye ma ye circumstances and I say situation that we are faced with no mema no eyi free your purpose and I say ye focus so na ye go so empem ne enko kan se nkwa wo kwa dia na enida so ewo ho na ama owusa enine na me de enchiremu efa eye Mr.Ibu ne ye fu kase ayi atese ko fododo na akoma nsem afa won se ye nsanu e na ama na basa no se se nchemu no de abetu na me de abeso no nti adwuntwe bi a wo fa won no bomodia efa to dra e wo C0mach comment section no na bi so no follow yen our IG page at C0mach C0ndemned.
The major prophet kum chacha on say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much GH on say me kan ye nyene bone pa na kase ye pe wo wi ase ya asondin ti na adam wo hu nyame ye no nyam no wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ne ade cat won na bomoden na be hwe too much GH behwe na subscribe bomoden o behwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ewura